guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like down here on the bottom. So I wanted to talk to you about the state of the market today. So basically I want to tell you that the market, it seems that we're on a downtrend. It seems that Bitcoin is struggling, and again, as I was mentioning, to basically start the uptrend and start the bull market as we expected. We have a couple of winners here. As you can see, Solana, it's kind of stabilizing, but I mean, it has been down for a couple of days. Obviously, this is one of the good chips, so I mean, we expect it to actually perform well. We have, obviously, this doesn't count because it's a stable coin, and it seems that Terra Luna and Avalanche are doing well, but it seems that they're on a downtrend as well, together with all the market. If we can see here, it seems that the support that we withdrawn a couple of days before it is holding. It seems that is starting to go to the upside. We start to see a little bit of green on the MACD, and the other side seems that we are trying to see kind of a divergence with the whole market. As you can see, if we draw a small line here, it seems that it's starting to trend up. So hopefully we can start the market with the bull market already. But let's talk about how Shiryo is performing. I went ahead of myself and started drawing this chart. So I'm gonna move my image down here so it doesn't actually block what I'm trying to do. And I'm gonna shrink it a little bit so I can do this. Yes, this is better. Out of it. So as you can see, we try to break this resistance that we have here on the 7664 level. As I already mentioned, we have been rejected several times at this resistance. As you can see, we have been rejected here, here as well, here as well. You may say, well, we closed this candle on the above the resistance level, but we have been followed by a bearish engulfing candle, so it was basically cancelled. We have been rejected here and rejected here as well. So a lot of times, and once more we were rejected here. And if we look of how we are performing, we were pushed to the below channel and we were able to break it, as I mentioned before, but we ended up hitting the same resistance that we have here. And as I mentioned on my previous video, I love when I'm right. We hit the resistance, we basically were rejected, and we hit a downtrend here with the with the WXYXC correction. And it seems that we are not in a bad shape. We created this uptrend channel, this micro channel that is right here. Let me make it this a little bit bigger. So we're on this channel that it seems that it's really awesome. We already have the first leg of the Elliott impulse wave. This is the first one that we have. Then we have the second one, that is the correction that I mentioned. Hopefully we can go back above and try again the 7664. I actually really expect that we have another correction because we are hitting the number one in the Fibonacci extension. We will have a small correction, go below again this resistance, and we will try to break it again, going back to the one levels, to the leading a zero. Hopefully we can have a white Christmas. We can remove that zero permanently. I mean, maybe the next thing that we can see here, once we hit these levels, we can stay above this the 7664 resistance, but we can have something like this, that we break the channel again and we try again. But the important thing that I am mentioning here is that we are in a good shape. The market is moving along as expected, so please don't fear. Shiryo is performing really well considering the state of the current market, and basically it seems that the game is playing out really great. So I hope that this helped you to see how Shiryo is doing and how the market is performing. So hope to see you next time and have a great day.